Looking to build a custom enterprise application or software product? Choose the smart approach with low-code technology. By leveraging low-code solutions, you can reduce development effort by up to 5x, unlocking a range of powerful benefits. At Stragiliti, we transform this efficiency into rapid delivery, superior solutions, high success rates, and tangible business results that justify your investment. While agile methodologies, offshore development, quality certifications, and solution engineering are essential, combining them with enterprise-class low-code platforms amplifies their impact. This synergy offers faster development, accessible talent, reduced technical debt, and lower lifecycle costs, all leading to a higher certainty of success. For complex bespoke enterprise software development, Stragiliti is your best choice. Our low-code approach reduces effort by 5x, offering superior delivery over traditional manual coding. Even among available low-code options, Stragiliti stands out with competitive pricing, robust intellectual property protection, and favorable commercial terms. While many platforms offer low or no-code capabilities, few are true enterprise-class low-code platforms. These platforms enable the automatic development of complex applications with minimal coding. They excel in features like multi-organizational use, precise version management, data masking, and role-based dashboards and analytics. Stragiliti has successfully deployed over 150 solutions across diverse industries and company sizes. Explore our links for testimonials, case studies, and examples of our solutions. Contact us for an evaluation and experience our superior delivery commitments firsthand. We provide comprehensive solutions, guaranteed success, excellent user experiences, deep domain expertise, all at a surprisingly affordable cost. Visit www.stragiliti.net to schedule a session with our experienced consultant.